Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the IPD Inpatient Department module. In general, you can see different masters available such as Operation Master, Nursing Station Master, Room Category Master, Room Master and Discharge Checklist Master. We will go through each one step by step. Let's start with the Operation Master. This is used to create different types of operations. For example, let's take an existing one, abdominal surgery. Here, you can see the operation name, short name and the OT rule name, which you can mention based on the requirements. You also need to select the category under which the operation falls, such as anesthesia, general surgery or others. Additionally, you can assign a group name and indicate if the operation requires a night shift consultant, whether discounts apply, and whether it is active or disallowed. Below, you will find options for uploading consent forms in both regional languages and English. You can also add operation notes, checklist, and required medicines for the operation, which will be automatically linked to the pharmacy. You can specify any surgical equipment needed under the CSSD items section. After filling in all the necessary details, save the information. Next, we move on to the Nursing Station Master. Here, you can create nursing stations as per your hospital setup. For each station, mention the name, floor number, and the department it belongs to. Also, include details like diagnostic code, linked pharmacy, CSSD, inventory, housekeeping, blood bank, and other departments. After entering all this, save it. Now, let's look at the Room Category Master. In this section, you define the types of rooms available. For example, deluxe, private, or twin rooms. You also need to select whether the room is a regular room, ICU, OT, emergency room, daycare or consultation room. Indicate if the room category is active and mention the credit limit or ward limit if applicable. Next is the Room Master. Here, you can assign room numbers and description. For example, a deluxe room, select the room category and link it to a nursing station that we created earlier. Make sure to mark the room as active or inactive as needed and save it. Finally, we have the Discharge Checklist Master. This is used to manage discharge clearance. When an IPD patient is discharged, we need to ensure that all dues are cleared from the relevant departments. For this, we create a checklist with a name and short name. You can also assign linked users. These are the people responsible for confirming clearance, such as those from the diagnostic department.